So it's my flight today to Manila and I'm eating a Malaysian cuisine and grabe, I cannot get enough of sushi. So even here, sarap kasi siguro sa Manila kasi wala naman akong time maghanap na sushi dito. It's just readily available everywhere. So that's my breakfast, super heavy para matutulog ako sa plane kasi halos wala akong tulog.
The bay is like ikot-ikot siya. Galing, sobra. Kaya ang daming houses by the bay. Okay, so what I did right after takeoff is to immediately move to this. Ginawa ko yung tatlo. Similar to what the other did during our flight here. Kasi my seat is that one. Ayan o. Katabi ko yung girl na yun. Ang sikip-sikip dyan sa seat na yan, kahit na may legroom, ang sikip. Daw kakatulog. Piyat ako. I only slept for like 3 hours. So now, mahiya pa akong humiga pag ganun. Kasi daytime eh. Tapos maaga pa. Pero tempted na ako. Humiga na pag matulog na. Kaka-take off pa lang. Okay, so it's now pasalubong. Dito pasalubong. That's my shoes. Those are all the things I bought. Grabe, muntik pa ako mag-exceed ng maleta. Tingnan. Yes! Nike. Binitbit ko pa yung mga rubber. Lalagyan niyan. Grabe. Sige, dali. Picture ko kayo. Oo, alam nila. Tapos muntik pa ako ma-excess baggage sa mga sapatos na yan. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yes! Wait. Ay, wala ako pa sa loob. Okay, Andre. Dito ka, Andre. Come here. Come here. Kinakagat yung tail. Oh, what's that? What's that, Tofi? Oh, no. Ate, tingnan mo si Tofi. Akala nila.